Hey guys, George, Florida Parks After Dark. Hey, we are here at Seaworld, and today is a very special day. It is Sesame Street Land Day. We're gonna go in, we're gonna take a look around Sesame Street Land, check out the shops, check out the streets, check out the immersive experience these little guys have, and then we got the parade. Now the parade's coming up, so we gotta make sure we get in there, poke around, find us some Grovers, some Cookie Monsters, some Bert and Ernie's, maybe a Snuffleupagus if we're willing, and then watch a very cool parade. So with that said, we are now officially in Sesame Street Land. For those who don't know, Sesame Street is a fantastic PBS show that's been airing for decades. They created this entire land in the back part behind the Orca Experience stadium, and it's all back here. Now they're getting ready for the parade, so we're going to kind of take our time through. So, those who've seen the show, it takes place on Sesame Street, and it's inside a town. This actually is a fantastic facsimile of that town. So you have the AB12 subway, which is actually their store. We'll do a quick walkthrough. What you're going to find is all Sesame Street characters, shirts, and everything. Okay. This is just bringing back Grover, and there's Elmo, Zoe, Big Bird, Cookie Monster, they're all here. And then he comes through, and there's all the stuffies, and here's the water bottle they have, which are great. Then they have the little guy Tease, we'll bring it around. And then these are puppets. So you have Big Bird puppet, Zoe puppet, and all that. Cookie Monster's raincoat. I mean, it's just very cute. They kind of section it off by character. This is the Zoe's area. And then over here is Elmo. We all know Elmo. And there's the Grouch. Elmo has a very cool purse. I'm not sure why Elmo has a purse, but Elmo has a purse. And then you come through now. In here is where they do the meet and greets. So on the back side of the store, you have all the meet and greets, which is great. And for those who don't know, that is actually the counts. That's the count. We love the count. So that's the count. So we're gonna start working our way back out. So I'm gonna pop back out on Sesame Street itself. We'll backtrack a tiny bit. I want to show you this one section. Right behind that store we just walked through is this. So, I mean, this is really, it kind of, I think out of all of SeaWorld, they've really done a great job immersing in this. I mean, from the curtains in the windows, to the buzzer to get up. In New York, you have to hit a number to buzz the room to unlock the door to get in. So there it is. There's the doors. It's just really done well. And then in the door here.
Ring ring. Hello.
It's just awesome. This is just done well. So come down the ramp. So what they have on this side is the shopping and the stores and the meet and greets. And on the other side of the street, Sesame Street, there are like rides. And it's all a little, this is very much a little kid area. Oh, hold on, Elmo. Alright, so Elmo's talking about the parade, about to start. Now that's a splash park they have here. And in Florida, trust me, you need a splash park, it's hot. And as you come through here, in the back behind the splash park, the ride. So the slimy slider, which is like a rock one. They got that guy. There's Abby's Flower Tower. You'll feel around this way. Because Grover does have a roller coaster here. And it's Super Grover Boxcar Derby. And I gotta tell you, for a little kid's coaster, it's not too shabby. Now, so now we're kind of behind everything. Alright, we can take a bigger. Here's the boxcar coaster. Gotta tell you, for a little ride, it's not a bad drop. And then back here, now we're kind of behind Main Street, back where the rides are. There's this little park thing, Harmony Hills, where you can play drums and make music. And then there's their meet and greet section. Julia is who we meet today. They had the Snuffleupagus there not that long ago. That would have been a personal favorite. Obviously, there's a baby chair area right there, and then over here, which is really cool, they got Elmo's Choo Choo Train. Literally called Elmo's Choo Choo Train. Super cute. Ah, the warming the crowd with the Elmo's slide. Now, those fences right there, that's where the parade ends. They go in there.
Can you sing and point along with me?
Alright, so we just made a big circle. And now we're literally walking down the street where the parade's gonna be.
Shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head,
And then way back there, if you look,
knees and toes,
there's a
knees and
carousel.
toes.
Now, it broke off for now of the parade. We're gonna stay here to see the parade. And the parade's on its way now. So guys, stay tuned. And the parade will be here soon.